Hi, I'm Steve from Rhinomax Campers and I'm here to show you how to put your anti-flap kit bars on the Fiamma awning. First of all, I always find it easier if you drop the awning down a little bit. Just drop it down at both sides, like so, and then I'm going to wind it out just to make the bar easier to put in. Okay, so we've got our awning slack. Then your anti-flap kit bar comes in two parts for storage, of which you join together quite easily, just like so. And then clip it into the attachment at the top and the attachment at the bottom, and then just tighten the awning up. So we're going to just tighten it back up and then make sure that the awning is between the anti-flap kit bars, and then just clip the bar on. Raise the awning. It's that simple. Okay, I'm now going to show you how to put the end extension on, which will cover the kitchen and give you about an extra meter's worth of space. It comes in quite a small bag, packs away nice and easy, and it consists of a roof and an end wall. So once again, I'm going to drop the awning just to make it a bit easier to put on. Like so. Now, we grab the wall, or the roof I should say, and then in here there's a runner which the roof slides into. It just slides straight up, nice and easy, to the top. Then I'm going to heighten the roof again, like so, and then we'll show you how to put it in this end. Okay, now that you've got the wall slid in, it's a bit windy today, but we'll show you anyhow. Let's put the two poles in and then we can fix it to the back. So, pole here. Goes in, and then that'll go straight down to a guy rope. Another pole in the front. Again to a guy rope. And then we'll also put a cross pole in. Sometimes you don't need to put this in if it isn't windy, but today there's quite a bit of breeze, and as you can see, it just makes it a bit sturdier. So your poles are all in, your awning's kind of up. Now we're going to join it into the actual roof. Okay, we're going to slide the awning into the camper now, which will give you some shade from the back. So it just slides into the sail track. Then this Velcro strap comes off, slides up here, and conveniently clips straight on. We have another Velcro strap here. This is all in sail track and designed to be easy to slide in. So as you can see, it now just slides in, clips on, and the last one just straight onto the side. Now as you can see, we also strap it to the pole to keep it together. Then if I just tighten the guy rope up, there we have complete coverage on here. Now I'll next show you how to zip the wall on, because it also comes with a wall for sheltering from the wind, etc. Okay guys, the wall zips on quite easily, just connects into the zip in the corner. zips straight across. And then zip straight down. Now, also it will Velcro against the post. A pin in the bottom and you're good to go. We also do full sets of awning walls and extensions over the shower. Whatever you want, we can provide it.